Guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And last week we took a look on the BluRams Outdoor Lite 3. If you did miss it, I will leave a link right over here just in case you want to check that out. And today here we are with the Outdoor Lite 4. Now, main differences is that the 3 is a camera that works 360 degrees while the 4 is a static camera. I can point it without any limitations, but it's static. The Outdoor Lite 3 has a bigger antenna, so bigger coverage than the 4, which I can't complain. It can capture from about 15 to 20 meters away from my office, which is not bad at all. Before we move on, don't forget to give a shout out to the sponsor of this video, which is B&H Software, a platform that we have been using for the past few months with a great experience. Really easy and affordable to purchase a Windows 10, Windows 11 Home or Pro edition at a budget, and even Office 2021. We have tested the platform, it's trusted, so no issues whatsoever, everything legit, and I will leave a link down below just in case you want to check that out. The Outdoor 3 also has dual lens, while here we are with only one lens. Great quality lens, but only one. This is a 2K 3 megapixel camera. In terms of the unboxing experience, as usual, really quickly some images right over there. The installation was also very simple, so it's just a matter of selecting the spot that we want to install, and basically that is it. In terms of the image quality, which is one of the things that I really enjoy on BluRams cameras, during the day the image quality is great, but during the night it's also really interesting. It has lighting, so at some point if we are getting close to the camera, it will light the scene and it will give us colors instead of just the infrared vision, which is great, but personally I do prefer the image with color. Now it can connect via Wi-Fi, which is what I'm using at this moment, but we can also connect via Ethernet cable if that's the case. In terms of the audio and video, we can communicate both ways. Video, of course, on our app, and audio we can talk to the person that's on the other side.
Estamos não falta com mais um amigo que estejas a ver aí desse lado e apenas a testar o áudio no sentido da câmara neste momento. Fecho 1, 2, 3, fecho 1, 2, 3 e supostamente consegue subir o áudio lá do outro lado.
And in terms of the detection, at this moment it's detecting 3 types. One is the voice. We can just talk to the camera and it will send a notification to the phone alerting the person that someone is there trying to talk with you. The other detection is movement. If there's any kind of movement, it doesn't matter what, it's an object, it's a person or a pet, then it will detect and send us a notification. And there's also the person detection, which we can isolate and select only one of these if we want. And in the future, a near future, I hope, from BluRams, they have a update coming that will detect also objects. And for someone that is receiving packages on a daily basis, it's great because it will send you a notification when there's a new package right over there. Now, we did cover the application on the Outdoor Lite 3 last week, so I'm not going to cover the whole app. You can check out the video that we did for that, but I want to show you that I've got the Outdoor Lite 3 right over here and the 4 also right over here. In this particular case, let's open the feed of the 4. This is live feed at the moment. As you can see, the water moving right over here, and I've got my tiger shark somewhere right over there, as you can see, cleaning the pool. Now we have the notifications right over here that it will record when it detects someone, and we can see a few actions here in the morning when I was taking a thumbnail for this video, so we can see right over here. But we know the app, we have a lot of options right over here that we have seen on the last video, and we can opt. For example, if we go to the notifications, and this is Portuguese, but we can see detection of any movement, detection of the voice, and then detection of person. So we can enable or disable each and every single one of these. So if I want only people to give me a notification, a alarm, then I can just enable people, and that is it. Video quality, it's great. Wi-Fi coverage, it's also really nice. Of course, they are waterproof, they are outside, although we are in the summer and it's not been raining, but during the winter I will be able to test them out. If the video was helpful in some way, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.